It's Grutzi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today guys, we're going to harvest our garlic, or in German, Knoblauch. We have here, they are fat in the big box, big gardening box. So which one you harvested?
Yeah.
My husband. Hi, Grutzi
No.
husband. We are harvesting. So we have two places we planted our garlic, in the ground, which is on the flat, and in the big gardening box. We harvested here already, like more than 20 pieces, but they are only a single bulb. They don't get fat because they don't like hard soil, because in winter time it push the snow push them
This
down.
I will also remove here. You
Yeah,
have
yeah,
to make it deeper.
das is swivel shots.
You know that you have to
Yeah,
make it
remove.
deeper.
We consume it because we don't buy swivel. So this one, it says when you only plant onion with from the old onion, not from the flower, they will not grow well. We'll see the next time if I will plant over there in the big box, if they will become big, because that one will don't have snow, much snow. Oh, was this is burlock. This is onion, white onion, or yellow onion. So I'm the one will dig, and my husband will treasure, make treasure, search the no block. Still have their shots off here. Oh, this one. Oh, I use this one, the the big fork. I know because this one, where is the garlic I planted? I planted this before I went to Philippines. So every like 5 centimeters I planted garlic. Gelshachi.
Mm.
So the one in the box, we will not harvest them because they are not yet ready. They are still green color. This one I want to harvest because I will plant different uh, onion family leeks, the flatten leeks. Look at that, they are sleeping. I will plant leeks because there are less maintenance. The garlic and onion, we have to maintain them. We have to give fertilizer, give protection. But the leeks, you don't need to put protection. The leeks can grow everywhere. Uy, where are you going, babe? Try. You remove now. I will look more of this. Where did I put that? I have to take a digger, another digger, this one. Wow, we have mini garlic already. You know, I planted more than 100 here.
Das.
I think 150 pieces. That is Unkraut. If you want, I can make sinigang for that. You want
Not necessary.
udah salad?
No, leave it on it for the base.
I will make research if it's edible or not.
Oh,
Hoy, don't make dirty. That's my husband's slippers. I can dirt my own slippers, but not my husband's slippers. Because I love my husband. Yeah. I don't like this wedge. The multiplying, oh. Oh God. She has to make a distance a little bit, not really there, because you hurt the bulb. Yeah. Hey. Please do sufri din sets. Now we are harvesting now this one. These tiny things that I planted last year. The others I planted much deeper. There's shots over there shots. I dig already. Wow.
ist das auch Unkraut, oder?
Giersia. Das ist Unkraut but edible.
Eatable is everything.
Nine.
Das ist schon viel.
Oh. You see? Sorry, shots. Oh. Yes. You know why there are two colors? There is red and white. They have two variety.
Okay.
So that's all, guys. I will not show you everything, but we harvested a lot already. Oh, I will plant this one. This is the leeks. Bye for now. I hope you like this video. But I will plant the noblauk on September. September again. Bye.